Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to trip. So first, you're going to need to be standing up. Then, you just start walking in normally. However, there's going to be an object on the ground. What you have to do is when you go up to the object, try to step to it, but instead hit the object. Then you have to, instead of kicking the object, fall over it like this. That'll cause you to fall down and you'll trip. Now I'm going to show you how to do it faster. Tripping is very effective. We do it a lot. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.